This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, TV, DVD player, auxiliary battery, oven, awning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, LP detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260RD is 7,306 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.